Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about natural minor scales part 2, step by step. We will discuss C sharp minor, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, and B flat minor. To find the relative minor scale, you go down 3 semitones from the major root. E major scale. The notes of E major scale are E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, and E. You go down 3 semitones, that is E, D sharp, and C sharp. The C sharp will be the minor scale, that is C sharp minor scale. The notes of C sharp minor scale and E major scale are same, that is C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, and C sharp. B major scale. The notes of B major scale are B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. You go down 3 semitone from B to A sharp to G sharp. The G sharp will be the minor scale, that is G sharp minor scale. The notes of G sharp minor scale and B major scale are same, that is G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, and G sharp. The next scale is F sharp major scale. The notes of F sharp major scale are F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, and F sharp. You go down 3 semitone from F sharp to F and F to D sharp. The D sharp will be the minor scale, that is D sharp minor scale. The notes of D sharp minor scale are D sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, and D sharp. C sharp major scale. The notes of C sharp major scale are C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C, and C sharp. We will go 3 semitone down, that is C sharp to C and C to A sharp. The A sharp will be the minor scale. The notes of A sharp minor scale are A sharp, C, C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. For watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content.